Dude, there's a crane in my way.
Yeah, I see that, dude. What are you doing? What kind of torture device is this, bro?
It's definitely not anything to do with this car.
Is this the next project?
Yes.
What do we have here? Oh,
7.5 conversion.
Lollipop.
a lollipop?
A lollipop. These things are always cracked.
So it's been like the 5th one I've ever seen.
These?
They always come out
They're
for
just
some
always
reason.
cracked. Yeah, it's so brittle, and you just look at them and they explode.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate. We should honestly probably make like 3D printed like stands for this, and because they all are broken.
Yeah.
Someone's been in here.
Uh-oh.
The wires cut.
Wires are all cut up, and the screws keep falling out.
Looks like somebody jammed it in there, and
Just kind of left it.
it seems like it got caught on here. Look, Billy, this is sharp.
Yeah, it looks like it was in the corner.
Yep, that's exactly what
It's not just a red wire.
No, it's all of them.
Blue, black, and red, blue, and black.
Do you like the little?
Damn, we're
stickies there?
missing something here, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
bro.
that's-
This. We'll just cut the brake pedal in half and just put it over here.
That's
And
funny.
Billy's removing
Look,
that thing.
isn't that a manual? Isn't that a little shifter right there?
Yeah, bro. Look at it. It's tiny.
All right. So what are you doing right now?
Me? We gotta remove this whole section. Gotta take the cluster off because we gotta get programmed, and then I gotta pull the ECUs out, and then this center console comes out. But you gotta pull the glove box out so we can start putting the shift box.
So you have to take the seats out and stuff too?
No, not on this one.
No?
I don't pull the seats out for this one.
How
yeah,
come?
the pedal boxes are a lot easier on these, so the conversions on these are a lot easier. Yeah.
They're not like 599.
No, 599. no, not like 599. Jared! How do I take off the radio?
Let me see. Let me get in there.
What, Jared?
Motherfucker.
What?
It's just 2 of those little radio tabs, and you gave her a pull, and that's it.
Give me the radio tabs.
Are you the subject matter expert on the 575?
He yelled at me. I'm upset. Let me in there.
No. I want to figure it out.
There's not much to figure out. You just give it a twist and a pull, and it pops out.
This side is grabbing.
This is the hardest part of the conversion.
No, it's not.
Oh, you did it.
Huh?
Did it.
Yeah, it's just a radio.
Jared said you're slow.
Yeah. Shit. Dude, there's a crane in my way.
Yeah, I see that, dude. What are you doing? What kind of torture device is this, bro?
It's definitely not anything to do with this car.
That's secret. What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
There's a shaft back here that's connected to the pedal box inside. You slide the shaft off, all the pedals fall.
Really?
Yeah.
Just in one little spot?
Yeah, it's held down by a 10. Slide the shaft out, pedals fall off. You take the brake pedal out, you put a clutch pedal in, and then you're done pedal box wise.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
All right, what are you doing right now? What you doing? Yep, locked and loaded. Misfire. you just taking apart the center console or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tempting to. So now.
Oh, it's a little loose
here. Glove box has to come out, and then we got to do some funky stuff to get to the hidden screw inside the dash over there.
Oh.
And this guy just slides right out. But I need more tools.
All right, now what? What's happening?
I'm taking the glove box out because there's two hidden bolts on my side, and I believe there's 2 hidden nuts on Billy's side, so you can slide this guy out, and then we can have access to the tunnel.
So-
a secret way of getting them, so that
Billy's-
we don't have to remove the column.
What? I can't hear you over there, muffled guy.
Muffled guy.
What'd you say?
Said I have a secret way of getting these 2 that are right up against the clamshell of the column, so you don't have to remove all of it.
Oh. Is that why you're on your back right now?
Yep.
Nah, he just wants to take a nap.
Yeah, I'm just taking a nap.
Oh, called over the expert.
Again.
It's okay. There'll be a lot on this job. I took these guys off.
You're gonna have to pull this H3
I know that one. I remember.
You have to pull all the Phillips
That's
heads
out already.
here.
It's the bottom
All
one.
the yeah. the heads.
See?
Yeah.
See?
Also, this Phillips head that they.
I know that there's the one in the back. You're supposed to remove. You see that 8 mil in the back? You're supposed to loosen that so you can slide the whole glove box out.
Yeah.
So you slide that one, you take off, and then which?
So these two 10s on both sides, so 4, and then the 2 Phillips heads and this whole assembly will come out.
Aha, see? He said Phillips.
So it is different then.
It is different.
What, the difference in...
Yeah. So what was so unexpected on that one?
All these cars are built with whatever Ferrari has laying around. So Jared didn't want to believe me. He's like, oh, it's just Phillips head. No, it's 10 mils. So literally whatever Ferrari can find at their factory, they put it in the car.
Hey, yo, Mike. What?
I don't know. Say something. Do something. Do math.
Get out of here.
Did he call for your expertise now?
Yes,
Or what?
yeah, it looks like a 430 exploded over here.
Temporarily.
We're exploding 430 Ford around. What
Quick in and out.
Saddle up.
are you doing? Oh. Oh my.
Don't drop my baby.
How's the trans mount?
Shit.
Oof.
Yeah, it is bad.
Replace?
Yeah, no, it needs to be replaced.
Has to be replaced.
Yeah, you could tell when it's like super close to the top like that.
Crushed at the top of the diamond, and you got a big gap here.
Ah.
You want it to be in the middle. There we go. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
More stuff.
What's that for? What does that expose?
It exposes where the ECU is.
Oh.
ECU.
Oh, it's not like behind the seats, like.
It's not under the seats like 599. It's on the sides.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah,
That makes it easy.
kind of.
Ow. What'd you do that for? What you wiring?
Doing our wiring to delete the TCU.
Ah.
Here, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you very much.
It's a boy.
It's a bull. It's because it's a bull. Oh,
Don't record.
there's so much.
Someone, I gotta get someone to mop this up.
Sheesh, I know you don't have to pull the seats out of this thing, but this seems worse.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, I've been friggin' every time I start doing this, I gotta go help Jared.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Jared be needing help sometimes.
Yeah, it's okay.
But to be fair, he helped you earlier, so.
He was wrong. I did all of this.
Yeah.
These 2 bolts right here.
What? Yes, this is way worse than before.
No, it's not that bad.
I think I would rather take out the seats than do all this for 2 bolts, dude.
No, the seats are like 60 to...
I need that.
So, you do all of that for these 2 bolts.
That's annoying.
Yeah, but I don't gotta carry seats out of the car.
That's true.
Because seats are scary. You can scratch stuff.
That's okay. All right, I see your point.
I'd rather just take the glove box.
Still though, what a pain.
It's pain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, finally.
Center console's done.
This piece.
It's because of those 2 bolts.
There's 2 on each side, but yeah, you gotta pull the whole glove box for these 2. So
Rip.
These 2 bolts. There's 2 bolts behind this. There's 1 bolt behind this vent and another one behind this vent. And these vents are really, really hard to get off when the clips are not broken. And it's really easy to break the clips. This is probably the worst part about doing this.
You can easily pop the center one out.
Isn't there a 10 here and a 10 here?
Yes.
So you don't gotta touch the center one.
Not true. You need to pull the center one, otherwise the whole assembly won't come out.
So you gotta get all 3 out? Okay. I trust you. Jared, sit on the other side and help me do this. This is probably the worst part about doing this shit.
Because it's so sensitive, or?
It's just a pain. It's a big pain. And you don't want to like scratch the inside of the vent, because that's what can happen. You scratch the inside of the vent. You don't want to break the clip or scratch the inside of the vent. You have to be really careful. Look at Jared's hairy legs.
Don't you
Oh,
start.
you got Chewbacca down there.
Shit on TikTok.
Bro, it's like a golden retriever.
Who let their fluffy dog drive the car? Shut the fuck.
Sure, I'm gonna do.
Oh, look at that, bro.
Woo!
This guy is a
Magic.
magician, bro.
Alright, I need a mop.
Chewbacca can do
You hear
anything.
him?
What?
He needs a mop.
I don't think we have a mop. Do we have a mop?
Look at that. It's so remember? Oh, it's so easy or it's so hard.
Cut the last clip. So I got all the vents out.
Oh, did you?
I got all the vents out. Very easy. Not hard at all. Very easy. No clips were broken, I think.
If they came out that easy, they're all already broken.
What's weird?
Jared's a cat person.
I fucking love cats. I love dogs too. I love cats.
He comes into work and he's got a bunch of scratch marks on his side, like all over his hands and stuff. He's like, I love my cat. Right.
What's next?
I'm gonna pull these things off. These turning signal things.
Oh yeah, we don't need those.
Yeah, we don't need those. We're
Yeah.
taking those off, and then I gotta pull the clamshell off because there's hardware underneath, so I can still take this off.
You still have to take the whole thing off, right?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Dude, John is a man of different talents. Look at him, just being a janitor, bro.
It's good for him.
He's a football coach too.
Football coach too.
Yeah. Consultant.
Lambo genius, I guess
Yep.
now.
Lambo
Yeah.
technician.
Oh
Down.
yeah, down and out in the trash maybe.
Yup. Oh, this one's loose.
It knew.
And
It knew.
yeah, this car just wanted to be manual. The owner's gonna have a lot of fun with this car once it's converted.
It's a different kind of feel, right? It's a different kind of feel on these cars.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, these F1, the F1 systems are getting old, so they're not shifting probably as fast as when they came out and stuff, and everything's worn, they start to leak and stuff, so. Jade! Come here.
You've been summoned again.
Was it?
Okay, so it's 3 bolts down, well, it's 3 bolts down here. You don't gotta take them out completely, right? Because there's 2 of them that slide and then one that goes into it. So I think
Well,
the
you,
one,
yeah, you need to pull that one out completely.
That one's out completely?
I like to pull those out completely just so there's less shit in the way. And then there's 2 like pop tabs that are in the back here. so
That's
you
what I was
have
gonna
to-
ask.
Yeah, you have to wiggle it.
because it's pretty much out, but it's not.
It's helping that, but also take this top portion of the clamshell out just so it doesn't get damaged. It should just be Velcro on the bottom. You can go ahead and move the steering column down and give you a little more access.
This sucks. Oh, there we go.
Brilliant.
Towards you, Billy. Let me unplug that. To arts.
Pedal time.
Yeah, I'm pulling off the brake pedal. Voila.
Ta-da.